Hello there everybody, you read that right, I'm playing Untitled Goose game. For those of you who don't know, this is a brand new game, which is quite rare for me because usually I'm playing games that have been out for about 5-10 years. But it came out today on the Nintendo Switch, I think the Xbox, PlayStation, PC, etc, etc. We don't talk about Macs. But yeah, so this is a brand new game. It's basically Arsehole Simulator, but in a far less awful way than the Fallout games that I was playing yesterday. This isn't replacing the Fallout streams, by the way. This is just because it's a brand new game. I thought I'd give my impressions. The blurb kind of drew me to it. It's a lovely morning in the village, and you are a horrible goose. Untitled Goose game combines sandbox-style simulation with slapstick-style sticks. Try saying that 3 times fast. And lets players loose on a sleepy village. Make your way around town from the village green to the high street shops, setting up pranks, stealing hats, and generally ruining everyone's day. Then we get to featuring a horrible goose, that's you, a town full of people just trying to get on with their day, you hate them, and a dedicated honk button. And I mean, that's pretty much what I've always wanted from life, and I do indeed hate the people going around town. You know, I've been to town, it's not nice there. So one of the other reasons I wanted to play this through today and kind of show it off a bit is because Link's Awakening has also come out today, and I think that's going to get most of the attention. And in a way, rightly so. It's a lovely game, and it looks beautiful, sounds great. But I've played it, so I'm a goose. That's all you need to know. Cheese! No, it's a sandwich, isn't it? Not cheese. That'd be stupid if it was cheese. Ah, I have a to-do list. Excellent. Get into the garden, get the groundskeeper wet. Oh, I've got loads of to-do lists. Oh no, that's it. Ah, bring them to the picnic basket. Ah, cool. Okay. Just set your sprinkler off, mate. Mine. Mine. My fertilizer. Mine. I mean, this is so dumb. There we go. That wasn't one of the things, but it was fun. Ah, get the groundskeeper wet. Well, I mean, there's many ways I could do that, but I don't think I'm an erotic enough goose. Got your thermos. I mean, my understanding is this very much is the game. Whack. Oh, no. Carrot. And no one's gonna stop me. Right, that's not helping, is it? Oh, that's not a picnic basket. What? I assumed it was. Okay. Looks like a picnic basket. Well, it looks like a suitcase, I suppose. I'm a very fine swan indeed. Soggy sandwich. Who wants a soggy sarnie? Well, there's the picnic. Picnic mat? No. Yeah, that's definitely the picnic hamper. I guess it's not open. How do I open it? You are a puzzle. Picnic basket might be in the garden. Yay, got him wet. That's one down. Is that the picnic basket? Hang on, so is carrot on there? Oh, bring to the picnic blanket. I'm an idiot. This game would be a lot better if I knew how to read. You ain't seen me, right? Cool. It's quite nice to have a game which encourages you to be a prick, but in a fun, whimsical way that doesn't involve blood splatters. Lovely. A whole pumpkin. That's a perfectly normal thing to have at a picnic. Whack whack, arsehole. This is my jam. Just want your keys, mate. You need to be a prick about it. Ha! Yeah. I don't think I can quite get... Oh, yes, I can. Yeah. Your keys are in the lake. Oi. No. Oi. No. It is a tiny bit frustrating not to be able to change the camera in this game. And by a tiny bit, I mean quite a bit, actually. There we go. And he's dead. I want a game of football. Dribbling. Yeah. Oi! Don't be rude. Just minding my own business. Oh. Yeah, go on, get in the box. There we go. I mean, I didn't realise he'd be quite so stupid as to do that, but apparently he is. Oh, I'm in your supermarket. Get on TV. Nice. He knows where his plane is. He was looking for it. Ah. Oh, he's nicking from the shop. Oh no, he's going to buy it. Ha! Yeah, take that, you little shit. Nice. I am winning at life. I mean, I'm not. I'm really screwing up life. But I'm winning at game. And in a way, that's more important. It's not. It's really not. Oh, anyway. This is a game review, not a breakdown. That wasn't even in your shop. That wasn't even in your shop, you skeevy. Oh. Right, I'm angry now. She's nicking stuff that didn't even belong to her. Ooh, got your carrot, got your carrot. Run for the carrot, run for the carrot, run for the carrot. Come on. Wet carrot, fuck you. I'm going to leave it there. Basically, I really enjoyed that. I'm a bit annoyed by the obtuse nature of some of the puzzles. And I think it's a game with a very limited shelf life. I think it's fun while I've been playing it, and I'm sure I'll have fun, you know, for another hour or two playing it. I think it's not a game I'm going to want to play again and again. You know, it's a game. Yeah, there's kind of a fun appeal from having it as a goose, but oh, and she's coming to get me. Yeah, there's kind of a fun appeal from going, ha ha ha, look at me, I'm a massive arsehole and I'm a goose. And the dedicated honk button does its stuff. You know, I cannot fault the honk button. And it's a really nice looking and sort of chilled sounding game. It's just a bit of fun, really, isn't it? That should just be what they put at the end of all video game reviews. It's just a bit of fun. So, yeah, that's my take on Untitled Goose Game. If you've enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and, you know, give me money and a job and all that stuff. Thank you very much. Bye for now.